She will surely pop this. So don't let her sleep. She slept so much. I've let her sleep so much. Don't forget the stamina. She's fine. I believe in her. Third favorite. She's fine. She has so much brain power that she's gonna pop every single one of her stamina skills. It's that easy. She just has to pop her stamina skills. Now, don't pop your ult too early. Okay. Stop popping that! So early! Nice Nature has done this to me again. What is your problem? Hey! What is your deal? What's your problem? We're win. Look, that's a win. Who is it? It wasn't even Nice Nature! Pop your ult! Get up there and pop your ult! Pop your ult, girl! Pop it! Pop your ult right now! Yes! Yes! Wait! Wait! There's Nice Nature! Help! 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 She won! Diamond Scarlet! No! She's done it! She did it! Wow, she popped her very crazy ult right when I needed her to. Nice Nature was so scary. Nice Nature, scary nature. Evil nature. The evil has been defeated. Now I have